Hey everyone, today we're going to learn about how to export API JSON data to Excel using Pandas. Okay, so let me open IPython. This is the interpreter that I'm going to use. So we can see, because we're going to use Pandas, right? So I think this is easier compared to the regular Python interpreter. Okay, so I'm going to just copy and paste these lines of code all the way here. So the focus of this video is how to use Pandas to export, like I said, API JSON data to Excel. Okay, so we have defined, or we have, let me do it again. So this is how we export or import the modules or libraries, and this is how you ignore SSL warnings, because I think the SD-WAN controller is just using self-assigned cert, so just to make sure. And then this is the configuration, so it consists of the host, username, and password, and we are defining a login function, and here we are retrieving the list of devices from the SD-WAN Manager. Okay, so those are all the functions. So now we can log in. So this is how we call the session into a variable called session, and this will give us either successful, login successful. So now we can call the get devices function, and we pass in the session, right? Okay, so let me copy and paste this line of code. So if we do a if we do a type devices, we see that it's a dictionary. So it is a dictionary because of this line here. Okay, so this converts API JSON response into a Python dictionary because of this line here. Okay, and we can also check the keys of the dict devices, and to do that, this is the command for that, dict keys. So we got two keys, header and data. So here, this is how you convert list of dictionaries into a flat Python data frame, or just data frame. Okay, so this is actually more recommended instead of just using data frame, and we can verify all the methods or attributes of Pandas by doing that command, right? So dir pd. So data frame, let's find data frame here. So instead of using this, I used JSON normalize, which should be here. JSON normalize here. Okay, so this is useful because if there is nested dictionaries, it will flatten nested JSON automatically. I should say nested JSON. Okay, so let me copy and paste this line of code and do df. Now we see a table, and of course we can check the first rows, which is by doing this command. So head is a method because of the parenthesis at the end, and we can also check all the columns. Columns is a attribute because it doesn't have a parenthesis, and we can also tail. Tail is a attribute. Let me check head. Okay, so it's actually both. Head can be attribute and method because it worked without the parentheses. Okay, so here in this step, this is how you select all the columns that you want. So in my case, I'm selecting hostname, device ID, device type, system IP, and reachability. And of course, you can also sort the columns or the rows in this case by host name, and this is the line or command that how you do it. So df or data frame dot sort values by host name. If we now do df, we see that the host name is sorted using host name. So it's now alphabetical. Okay. And of course, you can also filter using this command here. So we are filtering all the devices that is only reachable. So this will not reachable. It will only give us the devices that are reachable. And here in this step is, of course, I'm just creating a file name called SD-WAN devices .xlsx, which is Excel, right? And here, you notice that I'm not using this variable or data frame because I want to select all the devices, either they are reachable or unreachable. So if I do this, and of course, this is how you export the data frame into Excel. Okay, and the command is toExcel is a method because of the parenthesis, and you pass in the file name, which is Excel file, and index false, meaning we're not including the index. And we should now see the file here. If I open it, we should see that these are the columns. So this is the columns that we selected. Let me go back here. Yeah, that's how you can convert your API JSON data into Excel using Pandas. Okay, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.